Biggest paychecks won't go to people with fancy degrees or fancy titles. They'll go to the ones who master AI skills that matter. They'll go to solopreneurs who single-handedly solve problems with AI. What we're seeing right now is that entry-level jobs are being disrupted. Software is becoming a commodity. I recently interviewed the founder of Replit, and he told me about people who just vibe-coded companies that are making millions. And basically what they're doing, they're building on top of ChatGPT. Yes, they're wrapping it beautifully, but a lot of AI companies that we see these days are basically a set of prompts for ChatGPT, and they're making hundreds of thousands of dollars. I personally know some of those people. So what makes these people different? Number one, deep understanding of their target market and customers. They are solving problems for a very particular group of people. A lot of those people are solving problems they once experienced. And in this video, I'll break down 9 AI skills anyone can start from zero. So skill number 1 is no-code AI app development, something that I've mentioned already in this video. A simple example would be building a service that automatically writes blog posts based on YouTube videos. You choose a video that went viral, that got millions of views. The app extracts the transcript, it generates an article, and it publishes it on your site. Of course, you have to say, like, this is what I learned from this video, refer to the author. But content creation is getting really commoditized. Skill number 2, building no-code AI agents. Something that we've been playing with a lot recently. In the past few weeks, we built a couple of AI agents, and they're working and they're doing things. For example, if you have an inbox where customers reach out to you, you can build an agent that receives an incoming email from a client, checks your internal database if the client exists, composes a reply, and sends it automatically with zero input from you. Having an AI agent is like having a 24/7 employee. Skill number 3, workflow automation. So the tools that we use to build our agents, we use Nathan, which is a very intuitive visual tool where you connect blocks and create an agent by doing that. There are GPTs by OpenAI. You can build your own assistant inside ChatGPT by configuring instructions, functions, and even actions through plugins. So AI agent actually learns during the process, and it can change things in a workflow. If that sounds too complicated, you can just build a workflow that doesn't think. It just follows the steps that you've created. If X happens, then do Y, then Z. Let's move on to the next AI skill you absolutely need in 2025, and that's API integrations for AI workflows. Remember how I mentioned that we use API integration to publish things on YouTube? So basically, to make neural networks truly efficient, you need to connect them to other tools like CRMs, emails, spreadsheets, cloud storage, YouTube, calendars. All of this becomes possible through APIs, which allows software tools to talk to each other. Skill number 5, AI-powered data analysis. We live in a world where everyone has access to data, but only those who act on data win. We try to quantify every process in our company. And there are AI tools that allow you to go beyond just reading tables. They help you identify patterns, extract insights, visualize, and even forecast outcomes faster and deeper than manual analysis. Skill number 6, multi-model prompt engineering. The world isn't just text-based. AI model today can understand and generate images, videos, audio, even 3D content. That means you can interact with them using layered, complex instructions, and that's what multi-model prompting is all about. You don't just say, make a thumbnail. You give a precise creative brief. Create a YouTube short style thumbnail for a video about AI. Primary color is a black. In the center, let's put a large GPT logo. In the background, let's put blurred robots. A left side, AI versus human, and glitch style typography. So GPT-4 can work with text, images, and tables. It's perfect for detailed visual prompts. Then you can use Runway, Pika, or Sora to generate video scenes based on text. And again, prompting is everything here. And the clearer and more precise your prompt is, the better the result. Skill number 7, AI video editing and repurposing. In 2025, success isn't just about creating content. It's about repackaging it fast and at scale. One long video can turn into 10 short-form clips optimized for shorts, reels, and TikTok. And automating that is a whole new job that a lot of creators are trying to learn, and a lot of creators are looking for solutions like that. The next skill is custom AI model training. General models like GPT know a lot, but they don't know you. If you want an AI to write in your tone, understand your niche, or generate content tailored to your brand, you need to train it on your own data. That's what custom training is. Turning a general purpose model into your own personal AI assistant, and also making sure you can transfer prompts to your team so they can use your tone of voice. We trained a GPT model on our own database of scripts and video titles, And as a result, it can predict which content topics will perform well with our audience. So basically like created an AI version of you guys. And the last skill is AI app monetization strategy, basically monetizing AI products. We talked a lot about building AI apps, and that's half of the job. The other half is packaging it, launching it, and trying to make it not only help for yourself, but also help for a lot of other people. And when we're building some tools for our company, we're always trying to test them on a smaller audience to see if someone would pay us to use this tool. For all of you guys who are building cool projects but never make money, monetization isn't about selling. It's about delivering value in a way people will pay for.